Before we get into the forecast, I do want to talk about what you're probably seeing online, which is a lot of chatter about a winter storm potential as we make our way into the weekend. Do I think we have the potential for winter weather? Yes. Do I think it's going to get cold? Yes. But it is way too early to talk about amounts or anything like that. But it could be an impactful winter storm across the area. And as we get closer to the event, we'll start honing in on amounts and how this will impact you. But again, right now we're just too far away to know the exact track of everything, how much cold air is going to get in here, how much moisture will be left. So there are still quite a few question marks. So what I'm telling you now could change as we head toward Thursday and Friday. So again, stay tuned. I do think there is the potential for winter weather, though. It will not happen on Wednesday. That will all be showers across the area, and highs will make it into the 60s. Then our Arctic front will arrive as we head into Friday evening. Then it looks like wintry precipitation is likely. It's just how much will we see across our area as we make our way into the weekend. So a lot to track here, but this is where we are this far out looking at pattern recognition. And I know a bunch of arrows on your screen doesn't really tell you a lot, but what this tells me is this is the northern jet. That brings your cold air down. This is the southern jet. It will have a disturbance in it that will sit down over Mexico. And when you see a pattern like this in the upper levels of the atmosphere, as a meteorologist in Texas in January, you go, uh-oh, there could be something that could be happening here. So that's why we are seeing the ingredients in place. The cold air supply will come in from the north, moisture and energy and colder air will come in from the west. So it could end up being right across Texas. And so we're looking at now about 4 days out. So general timing, the cold air, yeah, I do think there will be plenty. Moisture, we're just going to have to wait and see on that. But as of right now, it looks like that could be around as well. Let's check over our winter weather checklist again. There's moisture, cold air. The exact track of everything is still the question mark. Once the check mark goes here, we're pretty much locked in. Let's take a look at our winter panic meter. Right now, what am I expecting as we head into the weekend? We're going to put it at travel problems. This could go up. As we get closer, it may go down as we get closer. So right now, I am anticipating that we could see travel problems as we head into the weekend. So let's take a look at our future track. And again, for the most part, over the next 24 hours, things are going to be fine. Increasing clouds on Tuesday. Chance for a few showers as we head into Wednesday, especially the farther east you are. Then as we make our way into Thursday, the clouds stick around. Arctic air still to the north, but that starts to make an appearance on Friday. Cold front working its way to North Texas by 5 p.m. on Friday. And I do believe the faster models with this, in fact, this may not be fast enough. Cold Arctic air usually likes to come in faster than what the models say. Then as we make our way into Saturday morning, there's the potential for your wintry mess here across the south central U.S. That could continue all day Saturday, into Saturday night, and into Sunday. Will we have more Arctic air? If that happens, that would shut this off faster. If the front holds up, it could prolong the event across the area. So there are still some question marks that we have to have answered. So for tonight, it will be chilly, but no precipitation. Temperatures at or below freezing across the north, 30s and 40s to the south. Then tomorrow, highs into the 50s, but 60s down across the Brazos Valley. And as we take a look at your forecast, 57 on Tuesday, 62 Wednesday, 64 Thursday. Falling temperatures Friday afternoon. Very rapid fall here as we get into Friday evening, down to freezing. So showers changing over to freezing rain. Ground temperatures are warm, so it's going to take a little while for the ground temperatures to catch up. But that will happen on Saturday, staying below freezing all day. And that's why the potential of some icing will be there. Could linger into Sunday morning as well. Only a high of 33 on Sunday. Monday, 38 degrees, and we're only in the 40s by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. And in the Brazos Valley, temperatures into the low to mid 60s on Tuesday, middle 60s Wednesday, 50% chance of showers. Dry Thursday, shower chances come back Friday. High temperature of 69 degrees as the cold front won't get to you until Friday evening. Then the bottom drops out, temperatures fall close to freezing, and there you go. You will have a chance of a wintry mix as well Saturday into Sunday morning.